Another topic in queuing theory is Erlang queue model, or this is basically the K model, because here in this model you will see the K term occasionally. So Erlang queue models are based on a situation where service is provided in phases. Like this, service queue is coming and they are taking service from phase 1, then they are moving to phase 2, then after taking the service all the queue is departing. So whenever the service is being given to be held in phases, then you will apply this Erlang model. Now we can assume that all the phases are completely given to all the customers before it enters to the other phase. So there are certain assumptions of this service time distribution, that the same arrival pattern is as per Poisson distribution, and 1 unit is allowed in the service channel at one time. When the service is completed, then through other phase it will be moving and then it will be coming out of the service channel. So here we will apply formulas like earlier only. The lambda and mu are going to be same as we were doing. Now here we will be calculating same EL as we have already done, expected number of customers in the queue. You have done this formula, lambda square divided by mu minus lambda. But here change will be k plus 1 upon 2k will be multiplied with this formula. What is k? K stands for number of phases given in the question. You will be very clearly given these many are the phases. There can be 2 phases, there can be 3 phases. So you have to see what are the number of phases given in the question. Rest is going to be exactly the same. Here in the place of k, you will be filling this. Now, like earlier, we have done number of customers in the queue. So the formula is very simple here, EL, that we calculated from the first point plus lambda upon mu. So like this you can easily learn it. Next is expected number of customers waiting in the queue, that is EW. So if you remember, the formula was this, lambda divided by mu minus lambda. Outside mu was also there. So this was the formula. So exactly what we have done above, we will do the same here also. So k plus 1 divided by 2k will be multiplied further, and the backside will be same, lambda divided by mu minus lambda. And the fourth formula that we have done was ET, expected number of time in the system. For that again formula is same, this EW plus 1 upon mu you will have to do. So it is very easy to remember these formulas. It is somewhat similar only that we have already done. Now let's see one example related to this. These are the formulas, and example number 31 will show you how we solve such questions. Now it is given at an automobile workshop, maintenance of vehicle is done in 2 stages. Now you can see the word stages or phases, it is one and the same thing. So 2 stages are there, and service time again same, mu is given 1 hour with exponential form. When vehicle is brought for maintenance every 4 hours. So after 4 hours 1 vehicle comes. So lambda is this. So determine the expected number of vehicles in the queue, in the system, waiting time in the queue, in the system. It means all of these 4 formulas we are going to apply. So just look at the question carefully, and now we will note down all the crucial information given. Now in the question first line it was given there are 2 stages. So our k is very clear 2. And then the mu was given, service time at each stage is 1 hour. So mu is very clearly given that every vehicle is taking 1 hour service. So 1 vehicle per hour is going. So mu is very clear, 1 vehicle per hour in each phase. Then it was given that lambda was clearly given, that if vehicle is brought for maintenance every 4 hours, it means in 4 hours 1 vehicle comes. So per hour it will be 1 upon 4 vehicle. So all these values are given. Now we have to apply the same 4 formulas that we have already done. So EL formula we have just written is k plus 1 upon 2k lambda square divided by mu minus lambda. So it will be k is 2, 2 plus 1 3, and below 2k it will be 3 by 4, then into lambda square 1 upon 4 square will be 16 divided by mu. Mu is 1. 1 minus lambda again is 1 upon 4. So we will solve this and we will find out expected number of customers in the queue. When you will solve this, it will be 1 upon 6 vehicles per hour. Second was expected number of customers in the system. We can find out En. So we have seen its formula also. Whatever is the answer of El plus lambda upon mu. So our answer of El was 1 upon 16 plus lambda. Lambda is 1 upon 4 divided by mu is 1. So it will be 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 4. So you will be directly taking it 1 upon 4 only. So taking its LCM, 1 plus 4, it will be 5 upon 16 vehicles per hour. So like this other formulas also we have seen EW's calculation. So EW was same, K plus 1 upon 2K lambda divided by mu minus lambda. So just fill its values also. K plus 1, 2 plus 1 will be 3, 2K will be 4 into lambda is 1 upon 16 divided by mu is 1 minus 1 upon 4. So now you can solve this. Sorry, here it is 1 upon 4 only. So solving this, it comes out to be 1 upon 4R. And finally last formula was related to ET. In ET we have written that whatever is the answer of EW, that is 1 upon 4, we can plus our mu into it. It will be same. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 is going to be 5 upon 4 hours. So like this method is very simple. Simply you have the formulas, just put the values and calculate the answers.